Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your portfolio with Wix easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to your site's dashboard. Select the settings option from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to find backups. Click on backups to access backup options for your site. Here, you will see an option to create a backup. Click on Create Backup. Give your backup a name that describes your site's current state. Click Save to store your backup securely. Next, navigate back to your dashboard. Click on Site Actions to see additional options. Select Manage Site. Under Site Management, access the Connect Domains section. If you haven't connected a domain yet, follow the prompts to do so. Having a custom domain enhances your site's credibility. Now, go back to your dashboard and select App Market. Search for site security apps to explore various options available. Install a security app that suits your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the app. Make sure to enable features like SSL security, which protects data transfer. After setting up security, return to the dashboard. Click on Analytics to monitor your site's performance. Set up Google Analytics to gain insights into user behavior. Consider adding social media links to your site. These links increase engagement and help drive traffic to your portfolio. Review your site's mobile optimization by clicking on the mobile icon. Ensure your layout looks good on mobile devices. Finally, regularly update your portfolio with new content. Consistent updates keep your site relevant and engaging for visitors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.